Hazrat Ali said about the education and training of children as Innama qalbul hadasi kal ardil khaliya. A young child's heart is like the land. Ma ulkiya fiha min shayin kabilatu. The seed that is sown in it accepts it and nurtures it. Fabadartuka bil adabi kabla en yafsuka kalbuka wa yashtagila lubbuka. My dear son, I took advantage of your childhood before your heart hardens and your mind gets preoccupied with other problems. I started training you. Hazrat Ali directed, Emalul khaira wa zakiru behi ahlikum. Do good deeds yourself and guide your family members. Wa addibuhum ala ta'atillah and keep teaching them on the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hazrat Ali advised the parents to memorize by telling your children. If they can't remember, then write it down. Educate your children not according to your age but according to the incoming age because they are created for different era than you. Hazrat Ali guided his son, Ya Bunayya, Ij'al nafsaka mizanan fima bainaka wa baina ghayraka. Make yourself standard of judgment between yourself and others. Wa'alam ya bunayya anuhibbu ma anta akhidun bihi ilayya min wasiyati taqwallah. The most beloved thing in my testament is the piety with which you are attached. He further said, the child becomes rebellious and disobedient due to constant criticism. Hazrat Ali also mentioned, Wakiru kabarakum yuwakirukum sigharukum. Respect your elders so that your children will respect you. Man lam yata'allam fi sigri lam yataqaddam fil kibr. One who doesn't get education in childhood can't make progress when he'll grow up. Hazrat Ali also described about the education and training of children as Man sa'ala fi sigrehi ajaba fi kibrahi. He who asks a question in childhood answers when he grows up. He further said, get your child used to hard work in childhood because Man lam yujid nafsahu fi sigarehi lam yambul fi kibarehi. He who doesn't accustom himself to hard work in childhood can't attain a high position when he grows up.